मेरे को आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करनी है, मैं जरा अनफोल्ड कर दूं खुद को।
हाँ वैसे बैठ जाते हैं।
ओए रुक जा भाई। एक सेकंड ना, ये एक सेकंड।
यार मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल हो गया था
हाँ ना,
वैसे। योगा से होगा।
योगा से होगा।
I have been to different therapists, but it's not worked for me. But what's worked for me is yoga.
There's a misconception that yoga is slow, तो ये क्या करेगा मुझे?
But it has the flow.
Ah!
Keep your head down. Keep
Keep
working.
going.
Yeah.
So very beautiful. And keep your head down, keep going, keep calm, and keep calm से calm.
Exactly. Keep calm से calm. यार ये तो हम वो दे रहे हैं.
हम लोग शो का प्रोमो दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे. It's yoga. They need to calm down.
We need to calm
Calm
down.
down.
Under some guidance, professional guidance. After a month, I felt कि मुझे कभी स्लिप डिस्क था ही नहीं. I do pranayam every single day. और जिस दिन मेरा ब्रेक हो जाता है ना, वो मेरा दिन अच्छा नहीं जाता. Don't listen to me. Practice it, and you'll see the difference.
I like what you said. Practice it. खुद कर लेना.
खुद
फिर
experience
समझ में
करो,
आएगा.
and then you will see the magic of it.
It's very very important that you strike a pose, but योग वाले pose. जिम में ना 100-200 abs मारने के बाद it's really important
That you stretch it.
Yes, let's go. Today I'm in conversation with a man who gave us a lot of tanav through his amazing work. He is an actor par excellence, and most importantly, he is a lovely human being. Gaurav, thank you so much for joining me, my man.
Thank you for having me here.
भाई यही पोजीशन में कब से बैठे हैं? इन्होंने अपना पोजीशन छोड़ा नहीं है यहाँ पे.
I'm used to sitting like this now.
Bro, it's World Yoga Day, and
Yes.
we at Fever FM, and मैं यानी कि ग्लेन ढूंढ रहा है अपना zen.
I
एक
love
शब्द-
this line, by the way. मैं ग्लेन ढूंढ रहा हूँ अपना zen.
Zen.
How
हाँ भाई.
cool is this?
मैं अब ना ये आपने ना स्टैंडर्ड जरा बढ़ा दिया है शो क्या? ओके, ये बताइए मेरे से,
जी.
एक शब्द में अगर आपको योग डिस्क्राइब करना होता आपके लिए व्हाट वुड दैट बी?
यार मुझे ना it has made me sane,
हाँ.
given me जो इतना स्ट्रेस होता है ना being an actor और अलग अलग प्रोफेशंस का, it has saved me so many times.
तो आई टेक दिस
योगा से होगा.
योगा से होगा.
Absolutely.
तो ये जो तनाव है रियल लाइफ का,
Yeah.
डज योग हेल्प यू डायल डाउन ऑन द तनाव?
Absolutely.
And as an actor, I'll ask you more so because आपका जो waiting game होता है बतौर कलाकार एक्टर, it's a lot more. It's more
Exactly.
excruciating mentally. You've got to be on a different level, bro.
यार वो तो होता है. Even on the set when we are shooting, it's not that अगर हमारी 12 hour की shift है तो we're constantly in front of the camera for 12 hours. We are barely in front of the camera for half an hour. And throughout the day you're waiting कि अभी ये setup हो रहा है, अभी वो location change है, अभी यहाँ camera setup हो रहा है, light setup हो रहा है. तो even on day-to-day basis we are waiting. So it just keeps you sane, makes you more productive.
Do you ever feel that there is a certain amount of a wrong misconception जो हम sports athletics वगैरह करते हैं, at least मैं कुछ लोगों की बात करूँ, सबकी नहीं, कि कभी-कभी बॉडी बिल्डिंग में आप रहते हैं, जिम जाते हैं, there's a misconception that योग is slow, तो ये क्या करेगा मुझे?
But it has the flow.
Bro is here with his mic drop moments.
नहीं
Yeah, but
मतलब
it's true,
ये
right?
भी जरूरी है. मैं खुद वर्कआउट करता हूँ every single day.
हाँ.
But यार ये अलग अलग है. This is I think weight training is outside. Yoga is more of
Internal.
inside to outside. I think it's a combination of both that has worked beautifully for me. But if you ask me what would I choose or recommend, it's yoga any day for me.
भाई एक मेरे को आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करनी है, मैं जरा अनफोल्ड कर दूं खुद को.
हाँ वैसे बैठ जाते हैं.
ओए रुक जा भाई. एक सेकंड ना, ये एक सेकंड.
यार मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल हो गया था
हाँ ना,
वैसे.
हाँ. सो यार
ये भी सही है.
ये बढ़ रहा है. मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ कि तनाव का जो आपने जो वेब सीरीज की थी, यू आर अ ग्रेट टीम यू आर वर्किंग विद. एंड जब आप हमारे रेडियो नेटवर्क में भी आए थे, मैंने आपसे बात की थी अबाउट हाउ आई लव सर्टेन न्यूआंसेस ऑफ योर कैरेक्टर, जिस तरह से आपने पकड़ लिया था. a lot of happiness after that award.
I mean, I just feel that वो थोड़ा बहुत जो validation होता है ना, वो जरूरी होता है. This is how it should be. Why not just keep your head down, keep working, no matter what. No matter what, if everyone's against you, just keep your head down, keep working.
I like that. Just stay in your lane and focus what needs to be
Yeah,
done.
और वो एक दिन ना आपका काम फटेगा और वो आएगा. But just keep your head down, keep working.
Keep going.
Yeah.
So very beautiful. And keep your head down, keep going, keep calm, and keep calm से calm.
Exactly. Keep calm से calm. यार ये तो हम वो दे रहे हैं.
हम लोग शो का प्रोमो दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे. It's yoga day. You need to calm down.
We need to calm down.
मैं ना ये genuinely ना consciously मैं कैमरा या इसके लिए मैं genuinely am trying to center my energy and trying to say okay भाई थोड़ा सा स्थिर होना जरूरी है.
We should all, right?
Yeah, we should all try to do that. Flexing muscles or flexing your mind with yoga. or a combination of both?
Combination of both. It's see, muscles भी ना क्या है ना, in a longer run it really helps you because as you grow old your muscles,
Yes.
if you strengthen your muscles it's आपकी life अच्छी होगी आगे चल के, you know, it'll support your physicality. But this is for mental health.
Yeah.
And it's equally important.
आपको पता है मेरा एक ना योग के साथ एक थोड़ा सा मिसकंसेप्शन था क्योंकि मैं क्रॉसफिट वगैरह करता था and I love
यार मैं एक चीज बोलूं, you know, I might get a lot of like people might say a lot of stuff for this, but for me मैंने ना ऐसे थेरेपी भी ट्राई किया है, but मेरे लिए थेरेपी कभी वर्क ही नहीं की. I have been to different therapists, but it's not worked for me. But what's worked for me is yoga, and it's worked beautifully.
यार ये गलत नहीं क्योंकि हर इंसान के लिए ना
हाँ,
डिफरेंट होता
मतलब
है
और मुझे लोगों ने ये बोला था कि यार go to a different therapist, ये शायद this one is not for you. I went to 4-5 different people over a period of time, but it didn't resonate with me. It didn't work for me. But what did was yoga, especially pranayam. It's worked magically for me.
So you're saying from protein shakes to pranayam, it's been a beautiful journey.
Wow.
Protein shakes
Another one.
Another one. Protein shakes. देखो protein shakes.
Protein shakes to pranayam.
Bro, हमने protein shakes की बात की, हमने कहा pranayams की बात की, आपने कहा pranayams and yoga has helped you as a person individually. मैं आपको एक किस्सा सुनाता हूँ. मेरा जो perception था with regards to yoga, and it's a completely wrong perception, and I'm so happy that that perception broke कि हम CrossFit वगैरह करते थे, football, aggression, sport. I went to this yoga teacher, Mihir Zoglegar, one of the best teachers I've ever had.
He's a friend, yeah.
Fantastic human being. I went to his yogashala and I told him, I don't like all this, it's too slow.
Yeah.
उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि don't worry, just take one corner, do whatever you can. और मैं उनके क्लास में चला गया. फिर he sat and he just moved my body a little bit. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ भाई, ये जो क्रॉसफिट एक्सरसाइज सब बहुत अच्छा है, वेरी गुड फॉर योर बॉडी, लेकिन जिस तरह से मेरा बॉडी जो है इट ओपनड अप एट द एंड ऑफ द क्लास. आई सैट इन वन कॉर्नर लाइक अ बेबी, आई वाज क्राइंग बिकॉज़ आई नेवर फेल्ट इतना फ्लो ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ब्रेथ थ्रू माय एंटायर बॉडी भाई.
Wow.
सो जहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा था ना ये क्या स्लो है, मैं तो क्रॉसफिट हूँ, मैं तो एथलीट हूँ, मैं तो भागता हूँ, ये सब. I suddenly, for those few minutes, I felt one with my body. I don't know what that feeling is. I can't articulate and describe it.
But that's beautiful, right? And you can only experience it once you do it. And
you
a
have something
similar thing has happened with me. So I was suffering with slip disc for a very long time, L4, L5, S1. And
Lumbar spines.
हाँ, मतलब gym में कर रहा था, but it would keep like वो एक condition हो जाती है, वो it'll keep coming back.
Right.
So you need to make your lifestyle according to it. कि भाई अभी यही है जो है. So I went to this yoga shala again, and I was really scared, and I told my guruji that मुझे ना problem है slip disc का, so मुझे ना forward bending मना किया है डॉक्टर ने, और उन्होंने मुझे सिर्फ forward bending कराया है 1 महीना. And I was so scared initially. He said just do what I'm saying, just keep doing it. मुझे forward bending मना किया था और उन्होंने please do it with a proper guru
and proper medical practitioner.
Exactly.
कुछ अपना मत करना.
Under some guidance, professional guidance. After a month, I felt कि मुझे कभी slip disc था ही नहीं. And for some reason वो मेरा yoga practice छूट गया. But for next 3-4 months, I was like flying.
Yeah.
And it was magical. It's about breath work. It's about these poses. But it was beautiful. It centered me. और ये इंजरीज तो ना उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं. हाउ इट हील्स यू फ्रॉम विद इन. तो ये जो छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है ना, ये तो उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स है कि आप ये अपने आप ही हील हो रही हैं, विच इज व्हाट आई रियलाइज्ड. बट इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. या
You know, as a gym bro, I always feel this कि भाई when we are working out, for me people say तू meditate नहीं कर पाता. For me मेरा meditation ना gym में होता है. भाई मैं जब weight push करता हूँ ना, when I am pushing that weight, when I have done a bench press and I am concentrating on my breath, उस समय पर ना when I am doing those reps, I am not thinking of anything except for my breath. My breath is so aligned with my nervous system उस वक्त. मैं जब सांस ले रहा हूँ, inhale exhale कर रहा हूँ, that I एक वो one वाली feeling होती है ना, my prayer becomes to God a more grateful prayer as opposed to मुझे ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं सेट के बीच में ना बैठ के ऐसे प्रे करता हूँ in reverence कि भाई क्या बात है यार, I'm alive, I can't.
Yeah, I mean that's a very basic level of meditation, I would say. But what exactly is meditation? To be present. Like for example, if you're playing a game, अगर आप football खेल रहे हो, or if you're playing basketball or table tennis,
you're present, you're there.
You're in that moment. मैं ये नहीं सोच रहा हूँ कि यार कल ना मेरा ये problem था life में, या अभी परसों में क्या करूँगा. I'm not thinking of anything. I'm just present there. I'm running after the ball and I'm in that moment. So in a way you're meditating.
But as an actor, it's a very hard thing, no? Because you're constantly worrying कि आगे काम क्या है.
वो है, but that is what yoga has kept me sane. When I say that it's actually kept me sane, this is the reason why I say it.
Do you practice any breath work or anything?
I do pranayam every single day. और जिस दिन मेरा break हो जाता है ना, वो मेरा दिन अच्छा नहीं जाता.
So you're saying that is like your non-negotiable कि ये मैं करूँगा ही.
Yes, absolutely.
तो कुछ भी हो जाए चाहे दिन में.
मतलब यार कई बार छूट जाता है. Like 100 में से 80 days I'll do it. It's like that.
Got it. So that keeps you going. That keeps your mind fire.
मुझे बहुत से and you can don't listen to me. Practice it and you'll see the difference.
I like what you said. Practice it. खुद कर लेना.
खुद experience करो and then you will see the magic of it. Yeah.
Bro, that's amazing. It's World Yoga Day. योगा डे है, हम लोगों से कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं पोज कर. हम लोग सेल्फीज वगैरह के लिए बहुत सारा ऐसा पोज वोज कर लेते हैं, लेकिन एक पोज उठा ले और देख लेना कि तुम्हारी लाइफ में कितना बड़ा चेंज आएगा. It'll just take you to a different league altogether.
Absolutely.
Bro, I've taken your gym time in the middle of your workout and I don't like to do this for anybody, but you gave us your time. इस तनाव भरे दुनिया में the most good looking villain that our OTT platforms have seen. Go check out the show also. It's crazy. You have to watch this boy's
It's on
performance.
Sony Live.
Yes.
Tanav season 2.
Crazy performance. Go check it out. And yeah, man, and show us some love because in this Tanav Bhare world, it's very, very important that you strike a pose, but yog wale pose.
Yog wale pose.